So today I need to install a hose bib right there. There's no attic access to do so, so I'm gonna have to dig it up. Right now, I am trying to find the pipe. I already found it, but I'm trying to find when it crosses over. So I'm gonna dig up around where it crosses over, transition there with a new hose bib line, and run up and stub in copper. So I'll show you guys in a little bit. I've been chasing the pipe, hitting the pipe again right here. I'm hoping to find a fitting, like a 90, to eventually cross me over the sidewalk. So I don't want to jet this. I'd much rather just get on that side of the sidewalk and finish up this hose bib. I'll show you guys a little update here in a second.